Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. I am glad to have you back to this academic year. We all know about COVID-19. We have to wash our hands often, cough into elbow. Don't touch your face. Keep safe distance. Stay home if you feel sick. Okay, welcome to Max class. In this we are going to see the rational numbers. The basic of the rational number is a fraction. What is meant by fraction? Yes, a part of a whole. In that we know proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Isn't it? Yes. What is meant by proper fraction? Yes, the numerator is less than denominator. What is meant by improper fraction? The numerator is greater than denominator. Then give some examples for proper fraction and improper fraction. Yes, 2 by 3, 5 by 7. These two are proper fraction. Then improper fraction. 3 by 2 and 7 by 5. Okay, these two are the improper fraction. Say the type of fraction. 19 by 5 is a improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. Then minus 7 by 9. Yes, it is a proper fraction because the numerator is less than denominator. Then 11 by 22. Here also the numerator is less than denominator. So this is also proper fraction. Here minus 7 by minus 3. Minus and minus gets cancelled and it will come as 7 by 3. Yes. Here the numerator is greater than denominator. So it is improper fraction. Okay. Then say this type 1 5 by 7. Yes, it is mixed fraction. 2 3 by 2 is also mixed fraction. We can change only the improper fraction to mixed fraction. Yes. Okay. Now we shall see the definition for the rational numbers. Numbers written in the form of a by b is called rational numbers, where a and b are integers, where b is not equal to 0 and it is denoted by the letter Q. We know that a is the numerator and b is the denominator. Example 4 by 5. Okay. Minus 3 by 7. Minus 50 by 51. These are the examples for rational numbers. Now question. Write the numerator and denominator for 3 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3 is in the mixed fraction. Yes. We have to change this to improper fraction. How? We have to multiply 3 and 3. 9. 9 plus 1. 10. And numerator is 10. Then the denominator is 3. Okay. Now rational numbers in standard form. How to change the rational numbers in standard form? In rational number a by b, the only common factor of a and b is 1, and b is positive, then the rational number is said to be in standard form. Example: 4 by 5 minus 3 by 7, 1 by 6 minus 4 by 10 minus 50 by 51 are in standard form. If a rational number is not in standard form, then it can be simplified to get to standard form. Here we cannot simplify this 4 by 5, isn't it? So it is a rational number that is in the form of standard form. Okay, here also we cannot simplify. So this is in the standard form. Like this only, all these. Okay. Now example 1. Write in standard form 48 divided by minus 96. Here in the definition we have seen that b is always positive. The denominator is always positive. So we have to bring this negative sign to the numerator first. So 48 by minus 96 will become minus 48 by 96. We can divide these two by 2 table. So we are dividing by 2. Then it is 24 by 48. And again we can cancel these two by 2 table. 24 table. Then 1 times 24 and 2 times 48. Like this also we can cancel. Then the standard form of 48 by minus 96 is minus 1 by 2. Okay, the next question. Second, write minus 56 by minus 72 in standard form. Minus 56 here, the both a and b are negative. So minus and minus becomes plus here, division. So 56 by 72. These two can divide by 2. These two numbers can divide by 2. So I am dividing. Then it will come, the numerator is 28 and the denominator is 36. Again you can divide these two by 2, because these two numbers are even numbers. Okay. Then after dividing, the answer is 14 by 18. Okay. Again you can divide this 2 by 2 table. Then it will become a 7 by 9. The standard form of minus 56 by minus 72 is 7 by 9. Okay. Now we shall move to the exercise. 1.1. Ninth sum. Rearrange suitably and odd minus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 7 plus 1 by 3 plus 13 by minus 6. We have to rearrange this suitably and now we have to add these. First, here the denominators 7, 7, both the denominators are same. Here also 6, 6, both the denominators are same. So, bringing together. So, minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7 plus 5 by 6 minus, we have to bring always the denominator be positive. So, bring the negative to the numerator. So minus 13 by 6. Then 1 by 3. Okay. Now here the denominators are same. We can add the numerator. Minus 3 plus 4 plus these two denominators are same. So 5 minus 13 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Now it becomes the 4 is the greater number. So 4 minus 3, greater number sign is 1. 1 by 7. Then minus 13 is the greater number here. Then you subtract 5 from minus 13. Then a minus 8 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Now here the denominators are different. So we have to see the LCM. 7, 6, 3. So divide by 3. 6 and 3 can divide. Then 2 times, 1 times. Then 7. Then these 3 are different tables. So you multiply these 3. 3 into 7 into 2. 42. 42 is the LCM for 7, 6 and 3. Now in 7 table 6 times 42. So you are multiplying 6 on both numerator and denominator. Then in 6 table 7 times 42. So you are multiplying 7 to the numerator and denominator. Here in 3 table 14 times 42. Okay. So you are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 14. Now make the denominator same, 42, and 6 minus 56 plus 14. Now add these two. 14 plus 6, 10. Then subtract, 14 plus 6, 20. You subtract from 56. That is minus 36. Bigger number sign is minus. So minus 36 divided by 42. These two numbers are in 6 table. So you are dividing by 6. So minus 6 by 7. The answer for this is minus 6 by 7. Then the 10th problem in the exercise 1.1 is what should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5. Solution. What they asked, what should be added to minus 8 by 9. So we don't know what you are going to add with minus 8 by 9. So we are taking that as x. Minus 8 by 9 plus x is equal to, then we will get 2 by 5. The answer is 2 by 5 they said. So it's equal to 2 by 5. Now x is equal to 2 by 5 plus 8 by 9. This minus becomes this side, means it will be plus. So 2 by 5 plus 8 by 9. Now we have to see the LCM for this 2. So the LCM of 9 and 5 is 45. So 5 9s are 45. So you are multiplying 9 on numerator and denominator. Plus 9 5s are 45. So you are multiplying 5 to the numerator and denominator. Then it will come as 8 9 2s are 18 by 45. 8 5s are 40 by 45. Is equal to 18 plus 40, the same denominator, so 45, and add these two. It will come as 58 by 45. So x is equal to for 58 by 45. Then 58 by 45 should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5? Now the answer is 58 by 41 should be added. Okay. We shall recall by asking some questions. Okay. The standard form of 58 by minus 78. What is the standard form of 58 by minus 78? Yes, you can divide these two by 2 table. Then it will become as minus 29 by 39. First you have to bring the negative sign to the numerator, because the standard from the condition is B is always positive. Yes, now the answer is minus 29 by 39. Then minus 75 by 5 lies between the integers. Minus 17 by 5 lies between the integers. How to find? This is the what fraction? Yes, improper fraction. We can change this to proper fraction. If we change the 17 by 5, you divide and see. If we divide 17 by 5, then 3 times it is 15, then remainder is 2. Okay, now 5 is greater than 2, we cannot divide. So 3 is the quotient here. So this number 17 lies between 3 and 4. Okay, here is negative, so minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, the rational number that is represented by 0.44 is, this 0.44 is in the form decimal. Yes, it is in the form of decimal. You have to change this to rational number. If you want to change this to rational number, means you have to divide by 1 into 100 into 100. Make it a whole number, you have to multiply by 100. Then it will come as 44 by 100. This is the rational form of this decimal number. Okay. We can cancel. If you want to simplify this, means you can cancel and write. Okay. Then the next one is 3 by 7 into, this is x, into x equal to minus 2 by 3. You have to find the value of x. What is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 7? Yes, 7 by 3. So minus 2 by 3. You bring this side, means the multiplicative inverse is 7 by 3. So you can multiply 7 and minus 2. Minus 14 divided by 9. So the x value is minus 14 divided by 9. Next is minus 6 by 4 and 18 minus 12 is equivalent rational number. You can cancel and see. You can cancel by 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. You have to bring the negative to the numerator, 18 by 12. This also you can cancel. These two, 18 and 12, comes in the which table? Yes, it comes in 6 table. 6 3s are, 6 2s are. Now see, here also minus 3 by 2, Here also minus 3 by 2. So, yes, these two numbers are equivalent rational number. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. The assignment work is exercise 1.1, 11th problem, 12th problem, first two subdivisions, 13th problem, first one, second one and third subdivisions. Thank you.